People, welcome back to Politics Watch. Right now I'm going to talk about an incident that happened in Barbican when one of Kingston's most wanted, a man by the name of Peter Campbell, aka Peanut, was going around robbing people, and an off-duty policeman challenged him and took his life. Now, I'm doing this video for a number of reasons. One, obviously everybody know on this channel I never hesitate to call out police when them do wrong. So it's only fair that we split justice and give them credit when they actually do something right and there is no loss of life to civilians. Now, this man, Peter Campbell, aka Peanut, I mean, first of all, I don't know why him have a nickname like Peanut, because Peanut has something nice. And this man is obviously a dirty jankro, because he's wanted in relation to several murders, rapeable activities, and serious crimes. I mean, even Sissoko was after this man, right? Now, what I find interesting is this. This man was one of the most wanted men in Kingston, right? His residence is from Barbican, that's where he live officially. These robberies he was doing when he got shot was in Barbican. So that means this man was wanted in Barbican and was still in Barbican robbing people. How that makes sense? Because if the idea that somebody is most wanted, that tells me that there's some kind of big search going for him. But how can there be a search going for him if he's still in his neighborhood carrying out robberies? The man come from Barbican and I rob people in a Barbican, and that's where this off-duty policeman challenged him and took his life. So what kind of wanted man this? Or maybe I'm not understanding what it means to be wanted. Because if somebody is on the most wanted list and come from, I don't know, Arbitrary, one would assume police are walk around Arbitrary or search for him, or a stake out Arbitrary because he's on the most wanted list. It's not like he's a person of interest, you know. Person of interest is like, yo, we need so-and-so to come in and come talk to you. Most wanted tells me, say, the system is after you. But this man live at Barbican and was so comfortable that him actually a walk around Barbican and rob people while being on the most wanted list. I don't understand. This policeman, off-duty policeman who challenged him, there are rumors that he actually got injured as well, but the police are refusing to report on it. But either way, I'm sure he's still alive, so I have to commend that officer, because usually whenever these kind of shootout go on, there's usually some kind of loss of life to civilians, or civilians get injured. But in this instant, him actually managed to take out. You look across his and no civilians were hurt. So I really have to commend this officer. But I really want to know our most wanted man, a walk around in the place where him come from. And he's on the most wanted list. Right? It's not like them catch him at St. Elizabeth or Mandeville because Trim know him most wanted in Runway. This man, I walk around the same place where him come from. And the fact that he's wanted for several murders, right? Plus how much woman him draw away, and other serious crimes, robberies. This man is so comfortable, right? While being on the most wanted list. So how are we dealing with these men who are on these lists? And police just draw up the list and say, yo, these men are most wanted and it done this. So. Because, I don't know, I always assume that there was some kind of manhunt on the way. But clearly not in this instance. But anyway, this man, or first of all, I stop calling people a man. Okay. This dirty jankro, Peter Campbell. One less savage. Nobody is going to miss him. But I'm sure his baby mother and his family will tell you he was a good man, and every Sunday him go to church, he go through him offering. Right, I know him cure cancer and him cure AIDS. But as for myself, and I'm sure most of my subscribers on Politics Watch, we will not be missing this man. Good riddance, if you ask me. So really have to commend this policeman who got rid of this pestilence. one of these people who continue to destroy our beautiful island of Jamaica. Right? Take away our women and children, do all kind of things to them. Send them much man to them grave. Good riddance. Policeman who do this work, we don't know his name. You have to do the policeman, but big up yourself, Squaddy. People, this is Politics Watch. Like, comment, share. Bless up.